Hi, konnichiwa. I'm Oleksiy, the therapist, and today I'm going to conduct an experiment and see how long the cupping mark is going to last. "10 minutes after, we can see that those top cups, they have very good suction effect, and the skin is already red and bluish. We are removing them, just pulling the top part up. Five more minutes passed, and we are removing the rest of the cups. 5 more. As we can see, cupping marks lasted 9 days. But that's almost an extreme case. Usually they go away in 5 days. When I get my cupping therapy done, they last no more than 3 days and look like this. Many of my patients have cupping marks disappear in 5 days completely. And they keep coming back and asking for cupping because it really helps. Try it yourself as well. Good luck.